Sanjay Hegde.
Can I?
Sanjay Hegde, one second, just one second. I want to bring in Sanjay Hegde. Sanjay Hegde, I just want to bring in one simple thing, that how do we protect our institutions from going into this kind of a situation, because this is the kind of incident that can set a very, very wrong precedent. Because instead of arguing our matters out peacefully before courts, if people are going to start throwing things at judges, you may have cited or quoted one particular incident that happened decades ago, but in the current political milieu, this can set a very wrong precedent. What needs to be done? What needs to be done to prevent this from happening in the future?
There have been more than that in that Hidayatullah incident, but that's not the point here. The point here is that irrespective of who associates whom with which political party, there is a certain sense of tribalization which is going on, especially in social media. There have been BJP-leaning handles who have put out things like this. I'm trying to show your people it has the photograph of the lawyer and the photograph of the revered Mahatma Godse on the same thing and saying Jai Shri Ram, Jai Sanatan. So there are people from within one ecosystem who are claiming it proudly. There are others who say, no, we have nothing to do with it. Jay is right to the extent that let the investigation...
No, but is that an official handle? I cannot see very clearly what you're saying, Sanjay Hegde. Is that from an official handle or a leader of the BJP?
I'm sorry. You go through social media, you see the continual BJP handles, and I can name several of them, but why invite trouble for your channel? Go through all the
quick response. Handles. We are out of time. Jay, quick response. There are right-wing handles who are in fact trying to claim credit for it. This is also not correct.
Madhav, with great respect to Mr. Hegde, he's my senior colleague at the bar. I respectfully, vehemently disagree with him. The exception cannot make the rule. Some loony fringe element of any side comes out and says something that cannot, possibly, dictate what our, the narrative will be, or to say that it's the entire you paint one entire side by saying that, they're all like that. I don't quite agree with him. And I think, yes, there are loony fringe elements on every side, but it is, if you look at statistics, I just like to say something. If you look at the statistics, it is usually the loony elements on the left that are known and prone to commit more violence. That is what West Bengal has shown.
All right, whether left or right, we cannot allow this to happen inside our Supreme Court. It doesn't matter if they're left, right, center, or what have you. The point is, you cannot have a situation where this is happening. As far as our Chief Justice of India in our Supreme Court is concerned, the Prime Minister has condemned both incidents, has spoken to the CJI, of course, and has also condemned the violence that took place on a Member of Parliament and an MLA in West Bengal. Ratan Sharda, Jay Dayadre, Nikhil Jain, Sanjay Hegde, thanks so much for joining us this evening.